Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another awesome Tinkercad tutorial. So let's get cracking. Today I've got a super quick update to the Keep the Chain Going project. As you can see, Speedy Machines sent us link number 77, and I have received something like 5 more of these. Don't forget, I store them as a creation, which keeps them a lot more simple. The first one I've got is from Tinkercad user Shar. The second one is this sweet car from Connor, the 3D Master. Link number 80 is named Hotcakes. I do not know for sure which user sent this, and I'm in the same boat. I do not know exactly which user sent this one as well. I am 100% sure our next link does come from Eva, and our final link comes from the fungus. It is absolutely awesome. I do want to show you one more time how to make this a shape. If you go to your creations and have it all select, you can hit create shape. You have to wait a moment for it to arrive. I'm going to put up here fungus, and then I'm going to also add a tag link. And we do need to wait for it to arrive. It does take a moment. And of course, I never lock the part size. And finally, I hit save shape so that it's added to my creations. So of course, I've returned to the main project. If we check up here in my creations, it's not there yet, but check this out. If we search and type fungus, when we press enter, boom, it's available. I just need to wait for the icon to arrive so that I can drag it out and put it in our project. So after quite a wait, we do have it available. There is the icon. Now when I drag it out, we can drop the fungus chain link in place. It was crazy complex and it took me a couple tries, but I'm gonna say it was absolutely worth it, and I think it looks absolutely epic. Let's bring back those notes real quick with Shift N. Once again, right here was 77, so we got 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, and 83. I'll hit N for notes, and let's put that right here. Link 83. That is awesome. Now, friends, remember the goal is to try and get to 100 projects. It is so cool that we made it this far, and if you want to join in, don't forget there will be a link up here in the corner. Thanks again, everyone, for supporting the channel, and of course, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering. Friends, before I wrap up, I do want to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of amazing categories. Before that, you'll find the day one favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll find a sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. Finally, friends, I do also want to recommend the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are a boatload of users, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.